Welcome to our new video. Today we will explore Google Next registration. As of my last updates in September 2021, I don't have real-time information on real events like Google Next in 2022 or behind. If you are looking for videos content related to registering for Google's Next or any other event, I recommended following the steps. Google's official channels. Keep on Google's official YouTube channel. They often post videos about their events, including registration details, workflows, and updates. Even website and social media. Check the official website for the Google Next event you are interested in. They might have videos explaining the registration process. Also follow the event social media accounts for updates and announcements. Search on YouTube. Use specific keyword like Google Next event registration or how to register for Google Next. On YouTube, find relevant videos content. Online tech communities. Websites like Reddit, LinkedIn, and specialized tech forums might have discussion, post, or even video content related to event registration. Online training platform. Websites like Udemy courses and LinkedIn Learning might have courses or videos that cover event registration process. News and tech website. They turn technology news website as they might cover major events like Google Next and provide insights on registration details. Google's blog or press releases. Google often releases blog posts or press release about their event, including registration information. While those might not be videos, they can provide accurate and up-to-date information. Remember that specific videos content might be limited, especially if the event is in the future or recently included. In such cases, textual resource might be more readily available. Always ensure that you are using official or reliable source to get accurate information about event registration. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.